everyone. In this video, we are going to dive deep into the concept called Kartex system.
We all know when a product is manufactured, to realize its cost and efforts put into it, it has to be sold in a market to the customers. But what happens immediately to the product once it's manufactured? Yes, it has to be stored at a place like storage house or godowns to keep the goods safe till they are sold out. Storing alone is not enough to realize expected profit. It must be managed well by maintaining a track of record of goods that are purchased and or manufactured and sold out. It is applicable for both manufacturing and trading concerns as they deal with physical goods. Before beginning with the topic, let's discuss some of the key factors that revolve around this concept. The first one is inventory. Inventory refers to the array of materials available at a specific time in the form used for the final production or the number of finished goods. It is the firm's current asset that determines its potential to sell goods in the market. And the second element is card. As the name suggests, this system of material control involves usage of cards. Now comes the Kartex system. It is a record keeping method where the complete details of the product, that is, quantity purchased or sold, are recorded, along with that of the employees in a physical paper. It facilitates tracking of goods flow in and out of the company and discourages mishandling of goods. Kartex system is also known as card system. This is prominently called as Kartex system due to the popular brand called Kartex, which adapted providing digital record keeping services to its clients. The card system or Kartex system is a technique of material control. It is basically a tool to track, monitor, and control inventory levels, movements, and usage. As I said before, it involves using cards or documents to record and update information about materials such as material requisition cards, material issue cards, stock cards, and bin cards. These cards help to implement material control methods like inventory management or MRP by providing a tangible and organized way to track and manage material information. It uses a centralized file of cards to manage and track inventory. It is a manual system that relies on physical cards to record and update information about materials. The information available on these cards are material descriptions, quantities on hand, location, reorder points, and suppliers. It might sound the same, but techniques and methods of material control are completely different, but they are related to some extent. Methods of material control refers to the overall strategies and approaches used to manage and regulate materials within a system, process, or organization. These methods provide a framework for controlling materials and can include things like material requirements planning, just in time inventory management, total quality management, and lean manufacturing. Techniques of material control, on the other hand, refers to the specific tools, procedures, tactics used to implement these methods. These techniques can include inventory tracking and monitoring, material classification and categorization, storage and handling procedures, quality control inspections, and supplier management. In nutshell, methods of material control provide the overall approach while techniques are specific actions taken to achieve material control and both are important for effective management, of course. Let's now discuss about the benefits of Kartex system. Kartex system is often used in smaller organizations or where simple inventory management is sufficient. It is relatively low cost and easy to implement technique, but can also be time consuming to manage as the number of items and transactions grow. Some benefits of Kartex system in short are it is simple to implement and understand, low initial cost, easy to maintain for small inventories. It also carries some limitations with it. They are it can be time consuming to update and maintain, prone to errors and inaccuracies, difficult to scale for large or complex inventories. Now let's discuss about the correlation between bin cards and Kartex system. Kartex system often you make use of bin cards. In Kartex system, the central file for cards, which is also known as Kartex, contains comprehensive information about each item, including its description, quantity, location, and supplier. To facilitate inventory tracking and control at the storage location level, bin cards are often used in conjunction with Kartex system. Here is how they work together. First, Kartex file contains a master record of each item, including its description, total quantity, and supplier. Bin cards are created for each storage location, that is, bin, where the item is stored. The bin card shows the item's description, quantity, location, and is updated when inventory levels change. The Kartex file is updated accordingly to reflect the changes in inventory levels, ensuring that the central record remains accurate. Thank you all. Hope this video was helpful.